Is SiteGround still the go-to host for WordPress in 2025? Or have newer options stolen the crown? Let's find out. SiteGround is officially recommended by WordPress.org, and for good reason. You get excellent speed thanks to Google Cloud servers, built-in caching, and global CDN. Their security is top tier with daily backups, free SSL, and AI anti-bot protection. The support? Easily one of the fastest in the industry. Live chat responses often take less than a minute. The dashboard is clean, beginner-friendly, and includes staging tools for testing changes before going live. On the downside, prices are higher than budget hosts, and renewal rates can sting. But if you value reliability, speed, and premium, WordPress features without extra plugins, SiteGround still ranks among the best. If WordPress is your game, SiteGround still a safe bet in 2025. Follow for more honest hosting reviews.